wake up praying to God to show me the fake from the real. I'm still chasing the paper, nothing changed. Still gotta pay the bills.
Assalamu alaikum, peace be unto you and all of my beautiful people who are watching this video right now. It's your girl, Sister Tanya, and I'm back with another video. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment, and hit that bell so that you can be updated on all upcoming videos. But today is going to be a vlog. I am helping my friend pack. So we are going to be recording over her house and just catching some footage on us doing. I know I look cute. We got colleague AB in the building. I got cute to go help pack and get dusty and dirty because I felt like it. So we'll catch y'all later. All right, YouTube. Haven't done my taxes, I'm too tired. Bro, that was a... Is that on? Did you? Yep.
Cause I don't want to put it on me. I mean, like, I look bad.
Oh, good.
Hey, YouTube.
No.
It's your boy, JA in the building. Jalil the Beast. See my brother? He's acting like an idiot right now. Leave me alone.
Money on my mind.
So,
Money in the mind. The man in the store called her the ugliest woman. Do me.
Oh, you want to be in my video? I know you want to be in my video.
Hi. This is my first time, guys. Hi, everyone. Hi, she's telling me about this channel and everything. It's good to see you all. Hope I'll see more of you. Kids are sleeping in the back, having a movie day, and all the living of my friend. It's going to be a great
Never knew I was this good at this game.
Gang, got the hammer and a wrench.
I've beaten everybody.
What's your name?
G.
What's up, G?
oh my gosh.
We Vince, we got Colleague and Jaleel. Well,
I
hey,
never knew I was good at this game.
Well, you're not good. You're trash.
Am I really this good?
yep.
Am I really this good?
All right. What's your name? Hey, you. What's your name? Aiden.
Yeah.
How you doing, Aiden? Everybody, this Aiden right here. This my nephew. One of my nephews. I ain't seen him in years.
Now.
We got a lot of work to do.
What?
Turn down for what? Ooh, look, y'all have been packing. Let me see. Stick y'all over here. Okay, look like I got y'all up, right? Turn up. Now I got to put my speaker on. We gotta get this packing done.
it doesn't work. The same thing with the Xbox. The Xbox lags on.
Oh, yep, Xbox, that's busy.
And EA lags on. And EA Sports lags on. Oh, Madden and stuff.
We are.
Oh, why'd you pick Curry on him, bro? Why'd you pick Curry, man?
I wasn't even, what? Hey, let's look at the Xbox on the way.
Huh?
How you gonna look at the Xbox?
You know,
Empty.
I didn't mean to shoot that.
We did a good job. Oop, y'all better be careful by them folks' car. What's up, YouTube? It's day 2 of the move. Helping my friend move. Tired. Still tired. From yesterday. But we're gonna get her done. Get her done. As y'all can see, my little energy is off. I'm getting it done. Look at these little buns. Thank you for watching. As always, ciao, ciao.